everyone, and thank you for joining another exciting tech video brought to you by the KW Tech Training Team. My name is CJ Johnson, and I am a training specialist. This video series is called Dive into the Details of DocuSign, and the objective of this video training is to show you how to split and combine PDFs in order to accomplish the goal of increasing your DocuSign knowledge. We're in the DocuSign room here, and we're first going to talk about splitting your PDFs. Now, what might be the reason for doing this? Let's say we have a huge packet of forms, but we need certain documents to be signed and uploaded into Command for our Market Center for compliance. So in that case, we might need to split off the PDFs that we need to upload. There's two different ways that we can split a PDF packet. Let's show you that first way. First way is I can click right into the PDF on the screen, and in the upper right-hand corner, it looks like a folded piece of paper icon. If we hover over that, it says Document Actions. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then from there, I can go to the option that says split. Another way we can split this is just right-clicking over that PDF packet, and then the option to split it is right there available for us to click. Once I click on it, I can see a couple of things. Number one, I can see all of the forms or PDFs on the right-hand side of the screen, and on the left-hand side, we have the area where we're actually going to split the PDF off. Now, there's a couple of ways we can split this. I can split this as many times as I want. There's no limit on how many splits of packets that I have out of the original document. Let's just say this is packet A here, and I can go ahead and say, hey, I want pages 1 through 5. Once I plug that in, it will highlight those pages on the right-hand side and put this in numerical order. But what if I need them out of order? Maybe I need page 3, then page 6, then page 2. I can manually type that in. It's going to highlight those pages on the right-hand side, and this packet will have these pages in the order that I'm typing. Last way I can split this off is by simply going to the right-hand side of the screen and clicking on the pages that I want for the packet. Now, notice when I manually click on those pages, it will automatically put them in numerical order. So if you want them out of order, you'll have to type in the order that you want into the field. I can split this again just to show you that functionality. Maybe we have 2 packets here, and I can use the same pages to be split or different pages. Let's say we want page 3, page 2, and page 8. Once I have the packets and the splits that I want, I can go to the upper right-hand corner and click the blue Save button. So what we're going to see is the original PDF packet here. We'll always have that and keep that in the DocuSign room. And then we'll have the new packets created here as well. Packet A, Packet B. Let's switch the topics. Let's talk about combining the PDFs. So what might be a reason you need to combine a PDF packet? A great use case is for you to just clean up the room and stay organized. You can combine those forms together. And this is really great if a deal fell through, which happens. We can take all those pieces of information, put them into a folder, and save them here in the DocuSign room. So let's show you how to combine some PDFs. So all I have to do is click on those PDFs or sign forms that I want in that packet. Maybe we add this one here. And once I have those PDFs that I want, at the top here, we're going to see an icon. It looks like 3 pieces of paper coming together. If you hover over that, it will say Combine. So we'll go ahead and click on Combine. And at the top, it's going to ask us, what do we want this new combined packet to be titled as? Maybe we call it, new packet for our video example. Now, here's another key tech gem a lot of people don't know about. If I want to order these PDFs in the packet, all I have to do is click and drag, and then I can assign how this will be seen. The order will be seen in the packet. I can just click and drag here. Pretty cool. Once I have the order that I want this in, I'll click Save, and we're going to see the original PDF still in the room, but also that new combined packet here as well. Thank you for watching this video. We trust that you're now ready to conquer your business and take it to the next level. If you have any questions for our tech training team, just email us at learncommand@kw.com. And if you would like to attend a live hands-on virtual training, scan the QR code and sign up today.